Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to redeem Steam wallet code, and now let's dive right in. Now to redeem your Steam wallet code, first open up your Steam app and log into your Steam account, as I have already logged into my account over here. Now to proceed to redeem your Steam wallet code from over here on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see a bunch of options available for us over here. From Steam to the help, we'll be required to click on the games over here. Click on the games icon or the games option, and then this kind of menu will appear where you can see the redeem a Steam wallet code option available for us. Click on redeem a Steam wallet code and you land on this interface where you'll be required to enter the code of your wallet, whichever may it be from wherever you got it. And after that, click on the continue button over here, and after following this procedure guys, your Steam gift card or your wallet code will be redeemed, and that net worth amount of your code will be added to your account. And with that being said guys, this is how to redeem a Steam wallet code. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.